Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our idiom series. Today, we're learning the expression, burn the midnight oil, a phrase about working late into the night. To burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night. This idiom dates back to before electricity, when people would burn oil lamps to continue working after dark. Today, we still use this expression even though we're more likely to be working under electric lights. Here's how you might use it. I've been burning the midnight oil to finish this project before the deadline. Professor Chen's research paper is due for publication in 3 days, but his data analysis isn't complete. For the next 2 nights, the light in his office remains on long after everyone else has gone home. His colleague Dr. Park brings him coffee at 11 p.m. on the second night.
Still burning the midnight oil, I see.
Just like our graduate school days.
The extra hours of late-night work pay off when he submits the paper on time, with findings that will significantly contribute to their field. Sometimes important work requires extending beyond normal hours, just as people historically would burn oil lamps late into the night to continue working. This idiom is commonly used in academic and professional contexts when discussing deadlines or important projects. It can express dedication, but also acknowledge the extra effort required to complete something on time. Now you know how to use burn the midnight oil in your English conversations. In our next video, we'll learn another useful English idiom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.